If you want to make money selling cars, get the book, Make Money Selling Cars. It is all the information you need in one book for a beginning car dealer or beginning entrepreneur. Make Money Selling Cars. Get this book. Make Money Selling Cars. You can get it in ebook for $4.99, or you can get a paperback for $14.99. If you are a beginning entrepreneur, want to sell cars and make money, this book is for you. Get it on Amazon.com under Kindle Store or Books. Hello, my name is Dr. Zeke. If you are someone that's trying to get in the business of making money selling cars as a beginning licensed dealer, or just an entrepreneur who wants to buy and make money selling cars, I've written a book. It's called Make Money Selling Cars. It would be a great buy. It's only $4.99 or $9.99 for the paperback, $4.99 for the ebook. It would be an invaluable investment to know how the car selling game goes from A to Z. Everything you need to know is in that book, from locating the cheapest cars to buy, to resell, to how to groom the cars, how to recognize good quality cars versus cars that you do not want to buy and resell, all the way to the end game of grooming the customer, recognizing your customers, and making that sale. So from the beginning of the process of you going out looking for cars that you can flip and make money on, all the way to the end of the process of actually selling that car to an end customer. It talks about analyzing cars, bringing the car in to prep it, to have it to resell, all the way to the end game of actually selling that car and how to deal with customers and keeping satisfied customers. It's a very great book to have for beginning car sales people, or car people that want to get their license as a dealer, or if they just want to be an entrepreneur and flip cars. This is a very good book. Again, my name is Dr. Zeke. I wrote the book. I've been in the business for about 18 years. It's very simplified. And again, it's for beginning car sales people, or people that want to flip cars, or people that wants to be a licensed dealer and flip cars, or just be an entrepreneur and flip cars. Get this book. It's called Make Money Selling Cars. It's on Amazon.com. The ebook is $4.99. The paperback is $9.99. I just wanted to take a little time to go through some of the chapters that's covered in the Make Money Selling Cars book. That's selling on Amazon.com for $4.99 for the ebook and $14.99 for the paperback. Just want to go over some of the topics. Like I said, it covers everything from purchasing the car that you plan on reselling, all the way to the end game of selling that car to a customer and creating a satisfied customer. The first chapter talks about quality, honesty, and integrity. Of course, you've got to be honest with people and have some integrity for people to trust you and buy from you. And what you want to do is create a long-term customer base. Now, I'm just touching on the topics. The next chapter talks about how to inspect a pre-owned vehicle before you buy or acquire it for resale, such as checking the VIN, checking the engine and transmission, considering the mile, the basic mechanicals of the vehicle, the walk around, checking the body, the paint, interior, test driving it and everything. All of this is before you actually buy that particular car to resell. it's good to buy vehicles with manufacturer's warranties if you have that kind of currency to afford those type of vehicles. Because if something goes wrong with those vehicles, no matter what stage of that vehicle is in, if it's still under warranty, you can always take it back to and have things fixed, no matter who owns that vehicle. So that when they have warranties on them, and that's what I used to do. I would buy cars with very low miles that had warranties on them, and even if I made a mistake and bought a bad vehicle, if it's under warranty, I go to the manufacturer and have it taken care of. And you want to make sure you get vehicles at a good price. That's the whole name of the game, is buy low and sell high. That's how you make your profit. How to prepare, chapter 3, how to prepare the vehicle for sale. It talks about how you clean the vehicle up. You want the car to look as nice as possible, the trunk and everything. Chapter 4, how to market your vehicles. I get a little technical here. You create your ads. You want to do promotions and marketing online as well. I talk about print advertisement, but online is really, in today's environment, online is going to be a major key in selling cars. Chapter 5 is the last chapter. It's a very concise book. The last chapter, chapter 5, is how to engage and convince the customer to buy your quality vehicle. It talks about things about building rapport with people, offering warranties if you can, guaranteeing your cars, building that confidence that when a person buys your car, that they're getting a good quality car. And it talks about negotiating and all of those things. Now, this book is basically made for someone that has a dealership or is a licensed dealer, and it's also for somebody that's just an entrepreneur that's not licensed but wants to flip cars. So it covers everything from A to Z. This book is a great book. It's only $4.99 for the ebook, $14.99 for the paperback. If you're trying to sell cars and make money, this book is a great start. It's a great book to let you know the ins and outs, and it will serve you well. Get this book if you're trying to make money. It's called Make Money Selling Cars. Thanks. Again, Make Money Selling Cars, a step-by-step car selling guide for beginning used car dealers and beginning entrepreneurs from a licensed car dealer's perspective. Amazon.com. Get this one book on Amazon.com as an ebook or paperback and know the entire car selling game from A to Z. I am so sure that this book will work in your favor as a beginning car salesperson or entrepreneur, that I am willing to give a money back guarantee. If this book does not assist you in the advancement of your car selling skills, then send the book back and we will certainly give you a full refund. Thanks. I'm gonna end this video by saying, Make Money Selling Cars, ebook or paperback, written by me, Dr. Ezekiel Fierce Zeke, an experienced licensed car dealer with a money back guarantee. If you want to make money selling cars, get this book. Make Money Selling Cars. You can get it in ebook for $4.99, or you can get a paperback for $14.99. If you are a beginning entrepreneur, want to sell cars and make money, this book is for you. Get it on Amazon.com under Kindle Store or Books.